Section 2.1 is titled Analyzing Loans. So we're going to look at an example. Lars borrowed $12,000 from the bank at 5% compounded monthly to buy a new personal watercraft. The bank will use the watercraft as collateral, or the asset held as security on a loan. Lars negotiated regular loan payments of $350 at the end of each month until the loan is paid off. Lars set up an amortization table to follow the progress of the loan. An amortization table is a table that lists the regular payments of a loan and shows how much of each payment goes towards the principal, how much goes towards interest, as the balance of the loan is reduced to zero. So, how much will Lars still owe at the end of the first year? Well, I set up an amortization chart in Excel. So to do this, to figure out at the end of each payment period, so I have 12 payment periods because a year is 12 months and he's paying monthly. So to figure this out, you select the cells and then it turns into a little plus sign in the corner. That's called a fill. You click and drag it down and you can fill to 12 months. So how much does he still owe? He still owes $8,316 on his loan. In which month will Lars have at least half of the loan paid off? So we go back to our amortization table. I'm going to delete this row. It's just a bunch of totals. Delete entire row. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to fill this down until I figure out until his balance is halfway. So let's fill down. All right. So here our balance is 6,000. Here it's 57. So after 20 weeks, his balance will be reduced to half. So he'll have paid off half of the loan after 20 weeks. How long will it take Lars to pay off the loan in total? Okay, so now we go and we fill it down all the way until it gets to 0. $25.56, there we go. And one more payment. So it will take him 38 months to pay off the loan. How much interest will Lars have paid by the time he pays off the loan? Well, let's go back here. We have our interest, so we need to make a total. To make a total in Excel, all you have to do is type in equals sum, bracket, and then select the cells that you want to add up. So I want to add up all of this row of interest. There. You go back down, close the bracket, enter. So he will have paid $975.66 in interest. So really this section is about learning how to use one of these amortization tables, learning how to use your graphing calculator if you have one to figure out how much time, how many months or how many payment periods people are going to use to pay off a loan, or what's the correct interest rate, or how long people are going to take to pay off a loan, how much interest they're going to take paying off a loan. I have resources for you in Moodle to figure out how much time or how your calculator works in order to figure out how much time it takes. So please use them, read through them, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me.